Welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with another video. Whoop, whoop. Alright, so if you're new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial, with just a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey and a couple of travel vlogs here and there. And today is a Microlocs update. Y'all, I am 6 months locked. Yes, 6 months to the day, okay? And I am so excited about sharing with you all the things that have happened in the past 6 months, some things that I've learned, and how I will be proceeding forward with my Microlocs journey. So let's get into it. So the first thing is, what I've learned in this 6 months is the shrinkage is real, y'all. Can we take it back for a second? Back to my installation day. Let's go back there so you can see what was installation day like for me. We're back and we're done. We are done with our Microlocs install. Y'all, like, we're done. We're done. It looks so neat. I'm so excited. Let me do a little spin around real quick. Do a little, I don't know, my head kind of big, so let me see. I'm hoping that it's getting the angles that we want it to get. Okay, so day one, September the 19th, day one, 2021 of having Microlocs. Did we not see the hang time? Okay, it was real, it was serious, it was giving, you know, Michael Jackson Thriller, it was giving Michael Jackson Beat It with the little S curl, okay, the bang was boop, okay, it was booping. But as y'all see, now my hair has, it has a lot of shrinkage, but it does look more full. So that's what's something I do love about this, is that my hair is looking more full. Now y'all know that I have been talking about, I think I want to get my Microlocs shaped up, get a little cut, because I'm not really in love with my cut right now. I really should have got my hair cut prior to getting them installed in the way that I would want them to hang. But you know, if you knew better, you do better, right? So this is just after the fact. So I'm thinking probably by the 12-month mark, if I'm just not still feeling how my hair is laying and hanging, I am thinking about getting it cut. If I do, you know, I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show y'all me getting my hair shaped up so I can get it to my desired cut. I kind of want like a heart shape, or just something that's just a little more, I don't know how to describe it. I don't want to say even, but it ain't gonna look like this, because this is just, I don't know what's going on here. So that is something I'm interested in going into when I hit 12 months. Outside of that, my wash day, okay? Y'all saw my wash day from the last video. Y'all really can go check out my actual playlist for my Microloc journey from when I first got them installed all the way till I got diagnosed with seborrheic dermatitis. Everything is there, month-to-month updates. Check out the playlist. But if you watched my last wash day, y'all saw that right now I'm using the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils for natural hair, and it's really has been such a statement in my wash routine now that I was diagnosed with seborrheic dermatitis. So that is one of my staples. Please go back and watch that video if you haven't. Also, the prescription solution, you can also see that in my wash day as well, that my dermatologist prescribed to help combat the seborrheic dermatitis. I know when I first started my journey, like the first time when I first got my locks installed, I said I was waiting 5 weeks to wash my hair until I went back to my loctician. I am now washing my hair once a week. When I mean I have not been feeling an itchy scalp, like it has been so much better, y'all. So I'm washing my hair once a week now, which I find that to be aiding me in not having such an itchy scalp. I am still doing the braid and band method, okay? So when I went to my loctician for the interview I did with her for my retie about a week and a half ago, or a week and 2 days ago, that was the first time she washed my hair without braiding and banding my hair, and she actually had to go back and redo some of my twists because they did come down when she washed my hair. So she said my hair is still not ready to just be washed and free flowing, so I still have to braid and band at the 6 month mark. So such is life. Outside of washing it once a week now, using my staples, and still braiding and banding my hair, I moisturize my hair once a week. Yes, once a week. I know some people, like, they moisturize their hair every day. They put water on their hair every day. My loctician told me that, you know, the goal is to mature your hair, for your locks to mature. It would be really difficult to do that if you're moisturizing your hair, because that is like counterproductive. So I'm just moisturizing my hair when I do my wash day. Y'all have seen the leave-in conditioner that I use, and it is like a liquid, so you shake it up and spray it. And she said stay away from cream products, cream conditioners, all that. So I love my leave-in conditioner. It really works. My hair does not feel dry, and it truly has, I feel like, helped me in my hair flourishing. Leaving my hair alone, I feel like, helps with my hair flourishing. So I only touch my hair really once a week. Now, when I'm going to work out, I will throw a baseball cap on and put my hair in a low ponytail or a low bun just when I'm working out. And that's another reason why I get reties, because it fits my lifestyle of working out and doing other things. So that is what my wash day is looking like now at the 6-month mark. I am no longer putting oil directly on my scalp. Again, with the seborrheic dermatitis, my scalp is populating a lot of oils, a lot of yeast feeds off oils. That's not good, and putting more oils is just not helping with that situation. So I have noticed that my scalp, again, has been significantly like less itchy because I'm no longer putting oil on my scalp. So, and also because I think I'm washing it once a week. I'm only putting oil on my edges, and that is that Jamaican black castor oil, because y'all know I'm trying to get these edges to flourish. So that is really the only oil that I am putting on my hair. Again, I don't even put oil on my hair, not the shaft of my hair, anything, and I'm not putting it directly on my scalp anymore. So that is something that has changed from when you first started the journey with me up until now. Let's see. I go get my retie every 6 weeks to the T. I stay on schedule because I'm not in a place to retie my own hair. My loctician stay booked and busy. So while I'm in her chair, I'm already booking 6 weeks out for my next retie. So I'm making sure that I am staying on schedule. I do the interlock method. I'm not retwisting my hair. I am doing the interlock method. I want to say we're doing the 2-point rotation. And again, that has been great for my hair. Everybody's hair is different, but I am making sure that I'm staying consistent with my schedule. And I am 1 week and 2 days post the last retie, so it's still kind of fresh, you know, still kind of fresh. The thing that I feel like I am not so excited about, or what I'm not really pleased with, and it's a personal issue, I know, is that I feel like that my locks are not maturing. Like, you know, YouTube will have you really having this hair envy, because you look at some people's locks and like at their 1 year mark, their locks are mature, or even at the 6 months mark, their locks are looking mature, and mine's just, to me, they're not maturing. So I get really discouraged, like, y'all sure my hair gonna lock? Like, you sure it's gonna drop? Like, I am ready to see my locks mature, but I know it's a waiting game, so let me be patient. I still love my hair. So I'm not saying I don't love my hair, but I cannot wait till I get to that next stage and I don't have to braid and band anymore. My twists aren't coming down, and we locked up in this thing. So that's the only thing that I thought by now I will be seeing more of my locks maturing, and that's just not the case. My locks still, to me, look like twists. So it is what it is. All right, I think that's really it on my update, you guys. I'm just so excited about this journey. I'm excited what the next 6 months are gonna look like for me. If you have any questions about my lock journey, or just any questions about starter locks in general, I can answer them from my point of view. So please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Okay, we got mental health, we got Microlocs. This channel is just giving what it's supposed to give. So go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at DeAvila Sadé. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Yay! Bye, you guys.